A raindrop on a leaf rolled down and hit the stream. He went alive and felt alive, but deep inside he wanted to die. He had too many eyes on his pride, and his reach couldn't be wide enough, and he never felt like he was quite enough, and his views weren't right enough. So he picked a fight with a bike, and he got fucked up on sight. The cops came, so that was lame. He hated the 12, and he went to a cell. He rotted in jail for 21 years. He got out and drank some beers. He didn't have friends. He didn't have family. Cram it up your pussy.